Zombie apocalypse.
Hello everyone. I hope you are all well. Today I will discuss Python modules in pip. What are modules in pip? Suppose you have a cycle but it was already made. And you can modify it. In that way Python also has modules where the code is already written. And it is the best form. Suppose you write a code for random number generate and Python provides a code for random number generate. Your code will be equal as modules but not better than modules. In Python modules are external code. By importing modules you can make a nice project in a short time and it will save your time. You can compare your code with modules. Before the comparison you will learn about modules. So let's see how to use them. Previous videos I already discussed about how to download and install Programiz in Python. Now open CommandPad or PowerShell to install modules. Type pip install in the module's name. For now I download Flask. Flask is used for web development. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Now type Python. Here the Python interpreter is opened. Here if I type import Flask so it doesn't show any error. But if you type import pandas, it will show an error because we don't install these modules. Let's discuss about built-in modules. What is built-in modules? Some of the models are installed with Python. Those modules we called built-in modules. If we type import random so it doesn't show any error but we don't install random modules and this module is a built-in module. I have included a link for Python built-in modules list. You can check the link or search in Google for Python built-in modules. I think you understood what a module is. Let's discuss pip. Pip is a Python package manager. What is a package manager? Pip pulls modules from the internet or built-in Python modules. Many packages can be found in the default source for packages and their dependencies Python. I hope you can understand about modules in pip. In this Python course you will learn more about these modules. If you have any confusion so knock me on Insta or Facebook. See you in the next video. Bye.